In this video, we're going to examine how planners are assigned to the approved work list items in a turnaround. We're going to log into this turnaround that's scheduled for 2017, where there are over 900 approved work list items. In previous videos, you would have seen how we imported the work list items from SAP. Now, these work list items can be brought in from any CMMS program through an import or a direct drag and drop. The different columns can be customized and configured for different data depending on the client. What we need to do here then is to look at the approved work list items need to be assigned to planners so the planners can begin the task of creating the detailed work packages. The key again here is that we are always focused on safety and quality and worker tool time efficiency during the execution phase. And in order to achieve those, for example, zero incident, zero rework, zero leaks on startup, and a high tool time efficiency, we need to have the information available in a detailed plan job package. So the job of the planner is incredibly important, and the ability to follow standard procedures and have secure data and information and tracking of the status of the work packages is very important. So the planning lead has already been assigned as the stakeholder for the planning department. The planning lead will then create the planning team. You see here that this planning lead has created 6 planners in order to plan all of these 932 work packages in a planning window from the start to the planning deadline. 6 planners with a weekly target of 14 packages per week and an average of 2.4 packages per week per planner. Here we'll start to see the distribution of the work packages per planner as we assign the planners to the approved work list items. So to do this, we use a global feature of filtering and assigning. Our goal is to assign the planners and to set the due date. So one of the important responsibilities of the planning lead is to ensure that the planners are working on the packages that need to be developed either for a contracting strategy, for contract bid, for long lead procurement, or at the same time for scheduling the resource profiles by the scheduler. So we want to go through and assign a series of work packages. You'll see here that the work order from the work list has brought over a job number that can be automatically created in STOworx, or it can be brought in from the CMMS, or it can be manually assigned. What we want to do is go into the details of the work packages, and then here we're going to go to the stack and review all of the records, all of the approved work list items and work packages. And here we're going to apply a global filter in order to make a global change. So I'm going to click on the filter, and I'm going to select corrective maintenance work orders in unit 3400. I'm going to do a search, and I'm going to have 11 work packages or approved work list items filtered. I'm going to select all of these 11 with the option of selecting one at a time or selecting all or none. And then I'm going to select Edit, and I'm going to change the planner to Danny, and I'm going to change the work package due date to September 23rd. Then I'm simply going to click on Save, click OK, and my records have been saved. Now we can take a look at how each planner has been assigned to the various work packages. And in the next video, we're going to take a look at how the work packages are assembled, how the contents are identified and the deliverables, and how we measure progress through our dashboards and various measuring customized dashboards activities, how many hours have been already consumed or earned, how much workload is remaining. We can take a look at the status of each and all the packages by the scope, by the various categories. We can look at what phase these planning packages are in: initial, waiting to be prepared, have been prepared, or ready to schedule. That's it for this video. We'll see you on the next go around.